In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable OneNote on startup. If OneNote opens every time you turn on your computer, it can slow down your boot time and clutter your workspace. Disabling it from starting automatically won't remove the app. You'll still be able to open it whenever you need. Let's walk through it together from the desktop so everything is clear and easy to follow. First, make sure you're on your desktop. Close or minimize any windows so you can access your taskbar and the Start button without distractions. This just makes the next steps smoother. Now, move to the Start button. It's usually at the bottom left of your screen and it looks like the Windows logo. On some systems, especially newer ones, the Start icon might be centered on the taskbar, but the action is the same. Right-click that Start icon to open a quick access menu. From that menu, click Task Manager. This opens the tool that lets you see what's running and control what launches when your PC starts. If Task Manager opens in a compact view with only a few apps listed, switch to the full view so you can see all the tabs. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see tabs like Processes, Performance, and Startup across the top. Click the Startup tab. This tab lists every app that's allowed to launch during startup along with its status and the impact it has on performance. It's a helpful way to identify what's slowing you down and take control of your boot sequence. Next, look for OneNote in the list. It may appear as OneNote, Microsoft OneNote, OneNote for Windows, or sometimes as Send to OneNote. If the list is long, you can sort by name to find it faster. Once you've found it, right-click on it to open the context menu. Finally, click Disable. The status should change to disabled, confirming that OneNote will no longer launch automatically when you start your computer. This change takes effect the next time you sign out or restart, so there's no need to reboot immediately unless you want to test it right away. If you ever change your mind, just come back to the same place, right-click OneNote again, and choose Enable. And that's it. You've stopped OneNote from opening on startup, which should help your system start faster and keep your desktop focused. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps for any other apps you don't want launching automatically.